Cyber thieves are devious and probably have dozens of ways to get a hold of your personal data. You're at risk from poorly designed or encrypted software, companies that don't protect personal data, and insecure network services. Most vulnerable are infrastructure security and data privacy. Remember, a big data security breach could affect thousands or millions of people. Luckily, there are a number of best practices for securing big data. Let's examine some of them. Who's accessing your data must be tracked, and the best way is real-time monitoring. Any unauthorized access is flagged the instant it happens. If there are more serious, skilled attacks, you'll need to have a level of cyber threat intelligence in place to detect and prevent it. Likely you're storing big data in the cloud. You need to vet your cloud providers. What protection methods do they use? Are there any penalties for them not maintaining your security? Who else is using this provider, and what do they have to say? It's always possible that your data will get leaked. A good practice is to always remove personal information from stored data, but making data anonymous is just a good start. Data encryption is essential. Both your raw data and your analytics data must be encrypted. Attribute-based encryption provides a careful control to encrypted data access. It's public key encryption with the user's secret key and encrypted text, depending on attributes, such as where the user lives. Another approach is to run periodic risk assessments. If you're collecting private data from customers, what policies do you have in place to make sure it stays secure? How do you ensure that their right to privacy isn't breached? You might also be sharing data with another company. Consider how exactly the data is shared, and also think about how safe it is. The reputation of both companies is at stake, so you need to think of ways to lower the risk. Any deliberately or even accidentally released data that violates user privacy policies can spiral into a legal fiasco. Physical devices, such as your phone, are difficult to make secure. Anytime you leave your phone on the table of a restaurant or at work, someone could take it or try to access it before you come back. There are ways to bypass the lock screen and password. That's why it's better to focus on application security over device security. Also, you can consider isolating the devices and servers containing critical data. The last and perhaps most obvious security measure is to use antivirus software. Most antivirus packages come bundled with a few security features. Protecting data is no easy task. We live in a world where even depersonalized data can be run through systems that cross-reference it with existing data. You have to do what it takes to keep your data safe.